Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, which with festival season around the corner is this cute floral festival look. Using the PLouise Secret Sinner palette and Peaches and Cream pigments. I'll also pop a link for this crown rope braid at the end of the tutorial. Let's get started. So with festival, everyone wants things to last, and the pigment Painterley from MAC, if you put that underneath any of your bases, is like rock and it won't move. So I'll pop a little bit of that on with some of the Rumour in shade 0, because this one's quite a bright tutorial to make sure that it's got the colour popping. You're going to use that underneath the eyes and keeping all the layers thin so it builds up the colour and doesn't become cakey or cracked. This time, instead of putting on lots of colour, we are slowly building up, starting off with Fling out the PLouise Secret Sinner palette. So gently sculpting out the eye and creating the shape, and then going in with Dreamy and building that colour up more. And then to start intensifying it, we're going to build both colours together, so I'm mixing Fling and Dreamy together. Next, you're going to begin carving out your eye shape to get the perfect socket line. You want to take this slightly higher than the client's natural socket, so when they open their eye, you're not printing the colour off and mixing the colours together. If you're unsure on the shape, when you get to this stage, get your client to open their eyes, and if it isn't high enough, it will print off onto the top of their eyes and you'll know to take the shape higher. So then you're going to gently pat on Secret Sinners in Climax. We're taking that halfway across the lid and keep building up until the colour's nice and intense. And then we're going to mix that again with some of the Dreamy on its own, creating an ombre effect on the outer corner of the eye. Just keep blending and blending, and if anything feels like it's looking patchy, you'll need to apply more colour. Next, we've gone in with a nude eyeliner and we're packing over the top with Idolize from the PLouise palette. A tip for this, for clients' eyes watering, is if you always ask them to look as far away from the brush as possible, or the area that you're working in with your pencil, you'll prevent them from being too watery. So then we're going on to the Peaches and Cream pigments, which are gorgeous. I love these, they're like a neon. This one is the yellow, we're using the orange, and we have the pink too. So you're still following the ombre pattern, but we're just creating a little bit more of a shimmer and a little bit more vibrancy. Next, we are using the Secret Sinner Addict colour purple, and we're mixing that with the sealing gel from ILLAMASQUA. So this can go quite wet, so just watch your mix, but it does go like rock. It is completely waterproof once you get this product on. Lashes took me forever on this tutorial. My client has had hers curled literally only with an eyelash curler. They are the curliest lashes ever and I could not get an eyelash to sit on them. It took forever. So now we are using some of the Cover FX drops and blending those out, and then I'm going over one of my favourite foundations, which is from HD Brows Makeup Collection. This is their shade, I think it was Buff. Obviously the client's skin is quite fair, but she had tanned, and a lot of people these days don't like to tan the face. So we just built that colour up to match the tan that's on her body. Then next begins your contour. So start building in your slightly lighter colour to build up the sculpt of your face, and go in with some sculpt powder from MAC to start carving out cheekbones and accentuating the jawline and any other face shapes, slimming down nose, drawing down your forehead, anything that you feel like you need to nip and tuck. And then we're going to start building out the space hopper. So we're continuing that orange outside of on the outer edge of the eye, and building it all up on the pathway that's going to create the flowers. That's like a background for the flowers around the face. This is the Out of This World pigment, which from Peaches and Cream, which is the pinky one. We've used that underneath the eyes and it's so pretty. And now you can see how painful getting on the lashes was. This took me forever. I got there in the end. So again, this is one of the HD Brows bronzers in medium dark, and I've mixed it with a little bit of the Soft and Gentle from MAC. Then I've popped through a little bit of Got To Be hair gel through her brows, which again is a waterproof product, so it'll keep her eyes looking nice and bushy. And I'm using the same mix as what we've done for the eyeliner with the Secret Sinner purple. I'm mixing that with some of the sealing gel from MAC, and then the Chromaline in White Pot to just give the flowers a tiny bit of definition. Again, both these products are very water resistant. They'll not budge. They will be on your face for the whole festival, I reckon. As long as you don't wash it. So if you keep watching as well, we have got a really nice tutorial coming afterwards as well, which shows the hair. I've done a rope braid but incorporated it into a crown braid style. So it's off face, sleek, but it's easy to wear, looks really funky. Put some yellow extensions through it as well. So if you keep watching, you'll be able to see that. It's quite a simple tutorial. It's just getting the knack of doing a rope braid if you haven't done one before. And this is the HD Brows Pro Palette. So these products are brilliant for doing a full smoky eye in matte. That's the look complete, and I hope you liked it. Remember to leave all your comments below, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and hit subscribe for more videos.